Yo, what's up guys? Jeremy here from Arcesadventures, and we're gonna go to the Fairgrounds here in Kuwait and go check out the Lego show. Yo, what's up guys? We just made it to the Kuwait International Fairground. We're at hall number 4A. Let's go check it out.
The Lego show, we had these toys where it had the fish. Yeah. And I saw it last time in my dream.
Enjoy. Thank you. Wow! You climbed it?
That's having fun. It has a VR. View the tree like that. Oh no!
On your marks, get set, go!
Ninja Go area. Right here they got a little jumping castle obstacle course. They got a little station right here where you can show off your art. They got little games right here you can play. They got some sort of dojo back here. I don't know what they're gonna do there, but it looks pretty cool, guys. What do you think of this place? What is it? Cool. ate already? Almost made it.
Today,
You wanna play, Jacob? Go on the other side.
you're gonna find different colors. Okay, like black, white, purple.
What you do?
Next
Find the
one.
white one.
How is it, Jacob?
Lulu.
What's your favorite part?
Running.
The running?
Yeah.
No, they trick you. Before you get out from that door, you better spend some more money. Let me have my drink. Let's go.
You like it? What'd you get? Hey, a chips?
Yes.
What'd you get, Jacob?
Lego. A sneaky like that.
Alright.
Bye, Lego. Thank you for having us. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. And don't forget to click the subscribe bell. And don't forget. I didn't do it!
See this, guys? We're gonna go to the Lego show.
What?
Yep. Look at tickets. Get tickets.
Can you see? Cool.
Let's see. Tickets are. For us, we're gonna get the 28 KD, which comes with a family pack of 2 kids and 2 adults.
2 adults and 2 kids?
Yep.
You mean no babies allowed?
Yeah, no babies allowed. Are you excited to go see Legos?
Yeah.
What was that, beatbox? Rain's inside right now, Lulu Center. She's getting some snacks. Cause you know, we don't want to buy no expensive food. We're cheap like that. About time.
Shower.
I got snacks, chips, Lay's, Jacob's favorite gum, Jeremy's favorite water. High maintenance.
I don't drink that water. I just like the container and it keeps the water cold when you put it in the fridge.
Apple juice, Red Bull, and shawarma.